Okay, so practice problem 2, we are describing the rotation starting from figure A going to figure B. So figure A is blue. Again, it's not upside down, so it's not 180, right? So it's got to be 90 or 270. And it's going in a clockwise direction, and I only got to 1/4 of my circle, so that is 90 degrees, right? So 1/4. This is a 90-degree clockwise rotation about. Now, the points aren't labeled, so I'm just going to say about point -4. This is the one that's not moving. About point -41. Or could have been the other way. So I just sketched it out. This would have been 90 degrees counterclockwise. This would have been 180, or it could be 270 degrees counterclockwise, or 270 degrees counterclockwise. My shorthand rotation about point. It's always two options. I just want you to know there's always two options.